Hello and welcome back to another easy online German video training. And today I would like to present the German diphthong oi. Written E and U, but pronounced oi. And in the phonetic script in brackets you can see that we use the sign for the open O sound O and the sign for the long U sound, which is a Y actually, and this is the phonetic script for the German diphthong oi. We don't use an I in the phonetic script because we don't say oi, we say oi, so it's more open O sound and U sound. And as always, I have prepared some example words. We can have oi at the beginning of a German word, and as the first example, I have the German word for owl, and the German word sounds similar. It has another diphthong, but we also have an L in the word, and the German word is Eule. Eule. In the phonetic script you see the sign for the open O sound O and the sign for the German Ü sound, and at the end we have an unstressed E, so the sign which looks like an E turned upside down, and this is an sound, so it's Eule. And we have a little tick in front of the first syllable, and this little tick marks the stressed syllable, so in this word the first syllable is stressed. Then I have the German word for Europe, and in German this is Europa. Europa. You see the oi sound at the beginning, and in the phonetic script we use the sign for the open O sound and the sign for the Ü sound. And in this word you can see that the second syllable is stressed because we have the little tick in front of the R. Besides, we have a long O sound, Europa, and we have an A sound at the end of the word. And this is an open A sound, so not reduced. We can also have this oi diphthong in the middle of German words, and the first example for that is the German word for fire. And in German it sounds similar again. It is Feuer. Feuer. So you see the signs for the diphthong oi again in the script, and the stress is on the first syllable as we have the little tick in front of the F, so in front of the first syllable. At the end we have a reduced A sound, and this is always the case when we have E and R at the end of a word. This is a reduced A sound. The next word is the German word for cross, and in German this is Kreuz. Kreuz. In the phonetic script you can see that we have T and S at the end, and the German Z is always spoken TS. It's a ts sound, and this is always the case. Also in combination with T, the Z is spoken like TS. Then we can have the oi diphthong at the end of German words, and the first example is the German word for new, and the German word also starts with an N. It is neu in German. Neu. So very easy, no special sounds in this word. And then we can get to the last example, and this is the German word for true, in the meaning of to be faithful to somebody or to be loyal. And the German word also starts with T and R. And then we have the diphthong oi. It is treu. Treu. So this was the lesson about the German diphthong oi, written with E and U. And I hope you find this lesson useful also for the pronunciation. So this was all for today, and I say bye bye, or as we say in German, tschüss.